W900-T small character inkjet printer basic inkjet operation video. It's already in ink supply mode. The print content has been edited. Click on the input field to the left of delete, which sets the width of the edit bar. Click Print Setup again to set up the longer matrix. The longer matrix should be set according to the height of the printed content, and it is better to set it larger than the printed content. Set it up like this. Then click Print Setup. If you are not using an encoder, just set it to off. Print and set the content. Print QT sets the number of times the sensor detects the post-print. It is best to set print for count mode, so that the count is more accurate. When the print QT is set to a number greater than 1, the print interval sets the interval between multiple prints. Enable in normal cases, enable is not selected. Generally, setting the sensor 1 option is enough. Sensor 1 setting low level means printing upon sensing, while high level means printing after the sensing product flows away. Generally, setting low level is better for printing. Print delay is set to set the delay distance value if the printed content. The higher the value is set, the further back the printed content will be. Locking is set to prevent the filtering time from being triggered by mistake. Select left, right, and inverted based on the requirement. Sensor to option does not need to be set. Head gap to cutting blade. This parameter is not selected in normal cases. Font width is the width of the print effect. The larger the value, the wider the print. Font is the height of the print effect. The larger the value, the higher the print. Horizontal is the bold setting of the font. Longeve matrix sets the height of the edit bar according to the height of the printed content. Max, just set 34. Print and Shargini can be set just like in the video. Set the print interval again. Click Sava. First of all, the printing must be a certain distance from the product. Position the sensor closer to the nozzle. When the sensor senses the product, the top of the sensor will light up, and the general light will be printed once. This loosens the front and rear position of the adjustable nozzle. This unscrewing allows the nozzle to be side-sprayed. This release adjusts the front and rear of the sensor. This unscrews the upper and lower adjustment of the sensor. This adjusts the distance between the front and back of the nozzle. Adjust the nozzle up and down. and then hit print. Initiating transmission tape. Sensed once, but printed 3 times. And then click Stop. Then click Print Setup. Set print key back to 1. Now turn down the value of print delay and see what happens. Then check the left, right, and inverted boxes. Hit print. After the value of the printing delay is set smaller, the position of the printing is also forward, indicating that the larger the value of the printing delay, the more backward the printing. I'm going to set the font width, make it bigger, and see what happens. Try setting the font smaller. Click to print. After setting, the width did increase, and the font became shorter. In fact, if you turn the print head higher, the font will become larger. The font is significantly larger. Speeding up the speed of the transmission tape will also make a difference. You can see that the font has become much wider, and the position of the printing is much back. Usually, it is best to fix the printer speed to avoid debugging at intervals. If horizontal is set to 1, the printed font will have a horizontal row of ink dots, and so on. You can see that the font has an extra row of ink dots. Click Stop.